Today we will be doing a ebook cover. And how do you do an ebook cover? It is simple. First off, you're going to go to File. You're going to go to New. And we're going to do, new document. Ebook. So what I did is I did a 6 width and a 9 height because that seems really easy. Do that, and here you go. Here's your first thing. Now, second off, what are we going to do next? Well, we got to get a picture. So we're going to do place embedded, so we can do, what else? We want to go to Jack. JNR Studios, tutorial pictures, because guess what, guys? This is tutorial. We're going to scroll through these pictures, and then here's my friend Sean, or Riley, whatever, on this channel. And I'm going to do a tutorial picture. And honestly, I'm liking that one better. So we're going to use 1761. We're going to place embedded right now. I took this on my phone, and hopefully this works. I'm going to have to... Wait a second. Cancel. We're going to cancel that. We're going to open 1761. And we're going to open this picture. And here's my favorite part, and I'm assuming everyone's favorite part. We're going to quick select him and the car. Because that's what this whole cover is going to be, is him in the car. There we go. Now we're going to... we need to unlock that. We're going to... what is ever this called? We're going to do that. We're going to give him a mask. And there we go. That is so far an edited picture I will take and we'll put on here. Command T. So now you see that we have the actual picture done, and inside here, and you're like, Jeff, what the hell, dude? You have this background and it's white. What are you going to do with a white background? Well, here's the thing, guys. Here's the cool thing about this. I'm going to put in a whole new background, a whole new, brand new background that you've never seen before, and I haven't. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. The plan is today, not today, right now, we're going to open up Google, and I'm not sponsored by them, but good Pixabay. It's a great website to use for pictures, for free images, if you're just looking for something. Photoshop, place embedded, mountain, booyah. It looks stupid, I know, but here's what we're gonna do now. Stupid. We're gonna go to this one. We're gonna go brightness and contrast, and if you click Alt and you hover over this, you can link it just to that. And then we're gonna go to, okay, cool. Window, brightness. See how there's kind of a, it's not great. Oh my god, did I cut off his eye? I cut off his eye. I'm so sorry, Sean. Great Adventure. I'm gonna give it some FX. I kind of like the bevel emboss we've been using, but not inner. Booyah. There we go. Sean's Great Adventure. And that, my friends, is how you do a cool ebook cover. Shut up. Cause, yeah, funny stuff. And, yay.